And Rhonda, I know earlier you mentioned reference to the ladder, right? So you climb the ladder, you get to the top, and you achieve that goal. Or it could be money, it could be I want another house, or it could be material things, or and then you're there, you get it, and now you still feel empty, right? And so people may think that's the second mountain, but I don't know if you wanted to elaborate or talk a little more to that feeling when people get to the top and now it's empty.
Yeah, one of my mentors once told me, he said, we love performance. We love achievement. We're built for it. We don't wake up in the morning and think, I'd like to be crappy today, right? However, it's who we become in pursuit of that achievement, and that whatever the top of that mountain may look like for us, that is the question that we have to ask. Secondary to that, we have to say, is this making me more or less of who I want to be? But the predecessor to that question is, who do I want to be? And sometimes the path has been prescribed for us. This is the next step. And in my own coaching practice, what I've found is sometimes people get to that top. They are considered the best. They have that car, they have that thing, and yet they feel so empty on the inside. Because there hasn't been that connection to that deep sense of, I'm making this happen in the way I want. This is who I want to be in my life. And so I think that stopping along the way and thinking, is this the mountain that I need to be on right now? And I can perform, I can enjoy the fruits of my labor and my work and my life without having to pay the cost, the sacrifice to my own health and happiness along the way.